Hi guys, so I just came out of my gym and there is one thing which I have learned today or maybe understood today जो मैं चाहता हूँ कि I should share, and I'm just going home back from the gym. So there's one thing which I have learned, right? Ignore the अंधेरा, right? क्योंकि I just get out of the gym and I should document this because this is very important, and I often like get this my mind that I should talk about it, but I forget. So this is the day. So basically, the thing which I have learned is that how you do something is important, but how many times you do it is more important, and that is the main thing which improves you on that thing which you do. Okay, so let's say कितने अच्छे से तुम एक सेट करते हो, लाइक कितने अच्छे से तुम डंबल को एक बार उठाते हो इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट, but how many times you do it determines that how good you get on that. Because if you do it one time, okay, so no one saw and you did mistake, you did it, no one saw, but when you do it repeatedly, people will see that okay, you are doing something wrong, so they will improve you, they will tell you that okay, this is something which you should improve. तो ये एक चीज़ है. And then another thing is कि when you do it a lot of times, like the number of times, then only you improve at it, then only you understand okay, this muscle is like there is some uh, like there is a change in the muscle, like when you do, like when you like जब तुम डंबल उठाते हो 20 बार, देन ओनली यू फील कि हाँ मेरे लाइक बाइसेप्स पे पेन हो रहा है, बिकॉज देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके हाँ मैंने लाइक बाइसेप एक्सरसाइज किया है तो उसका पेन हो रहा है. बट इफ़ यू डू इट वन टाइम विथ 20 kg डंबल, it won't feel that much. But you do it repeatedly from 2 kg dumbbell, 2.5 kg dumbbell or 5 kg dumbbell, it will still feel okay, you have done something, right? So yeah, repeated practice is more important than doing something very good for one time.